Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to power off your Samsung when you have forgotten your password. And we're going to need your cable for this video, and just get it ready. Then here is Samsung A10. Let me try and power it off and see what happens. Or the power button. Oh, it requires my password, so I'm not gonna I will not be able to do that. So let me see what I can do to power this off. So we have 20 seconds to do that. So but before we continue, please, I am in a race. I have a request because I am in a race to hit 1 million subscribers, currently at 72, and your help is needed. So what you can do for me right now before we start, you see on your screen, you will see this red subscribe button. Please help me click on that subscribe, and that is it. We are good to go. So let's start. So how to do this is very simple. This is Samsung A10, like I told you. So what to do now, since we can't power it off, just plug your cable, and then here now you have to go hold down the power button and the volume down together. Power button and volume down together. Yeah, two of them together until you see. Just wait. Yep. As you can see, you can now see the telephone has been powered off. As you can see, it's charging. So that is it for this video. And please, if you have not subscribed yet, and if you think that this video really helped you, please be kind enough to help me click on that red subscribe button. Thank you and God bless.